believe it's been 20 years since the birth of Sant La. Wow, time flies. This is such an accomplishment. It was a real privilege to serve as co-chair of the board early on, and since then we've been watching you and your team on the front lines, you know, serving some of the most vulnerable immigrants in our community. And since COVID, despite enormous challenges, your team doubled down providing life-saving services to countless Haitians, many of whom are essential workers. So congratulations, Gypsy, your amazing staff and board, and thank you for all you're doing every day to make our community a better and safer place.
Dear Gypsy and team, happy anniversary to Sant La on behalf of the entire Focal team in Haiti. We love and admire you, your work, and we hope to continue our collaboration for many years to come. KBFM.
Dear Gypsy and team, dear Sant La, we love you. We really love you. 20 years may seem like a long time. Indeed, it's almost a generation. So continue to be the beacon of light for the Haitian American community in Miami and beyond. Thank you so much.
Good evening and welcome to Sant La's 20th anniversary celebration. My name is Shirley Planton and I have the pleasure of serving as your hostess this evening. Thomas?
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Thomas Eugene, Development Director of Sant La Haitian Neighborhood Center. My goodness, 20 years and here we are. It is an honor for me to share the stage with Dr. Shirley, and we are excited for just a remarkable evening, a celebration, life, challenges, and taking a step back into Sant La's history.
So 20 years is definitely not 20 days, not 20 months, and not 20 weeks. We want to honor, celebrate, and give thanks to everything that Sant La has done for this community. We want to honor the staff that has done an amazing job to make Sant La what it is, and we cannot forget the board members and the founding members of this organization.
And that is correct. So I think back 20 years ago, I actually joined the board 19 years ago. I think I was about 19 years old when I joined the board.
Ooh.
And I was 19 pounds lighter, but that's perfectly okay. But it is without a doubt an honor to welcome everyone to Sant La's 20th anniversary. We are in for a celebration, a treat, so please join us for this great celebration.
This evening, we hope that you will not just watch, but you will engage, you will purchase, you will bid, and you will remember all that Sant La has done in this community, but marking not just 20 years of the past, but 20 more and many more moving forward. Enjoy your evening.
You said something earlier about bidding, and how does that take place, Shirley?
So my understanding is you first must register. You have to register on the website that's located, and all of the items and all of the auction items will be on the right-hand side of your screen. In order to bid, you must register again, we say, and then you will be able to bid on the plethora of items, cultural items that make Sant La's silent auctions what it is every year. And we're back. We promised you an evening of fun, dancing, enchantment, and celebration. Sant La is celebrating 20 years of amazing work in this community. So we're going to start the evening off with a special performance by Gregory Duozel.
My name is Gypsy Metalis. I serve as the Executive Director of Sant, Haitian Neighborhood Center. I have been here 20 years now as the founding Executive Director. It's a role that I'm proud to play as one of the co-founders of this organization. So Sant started, really very organically. We were convening some community leaders, allies and partners to better understand why certain governmental organizations, institutions were having such a hard time reaching the Haitian community in South Florida. And in addition to that, these organizations or institutions were viewed rather negatively by the Haitian community. And so our convenings, were very engaging. We talked to everyone who could inform our understanding of what the challenges were. And at the end of that 6-month plus process, we recognized that we needed an institution such as Sant that would not only play a role of a bridge between the Haitian community as well as the larger community, and an institution that would be the go-to place when people need information, they need to know what to do, where to go, and how to go about, accessing the benefits that they need. Sant is a lifeline for the community. Sant is a reference for so many members of the community, both Haitian and and community at large. Sant-La is that place where trusted partners and allies know that when they come to us, we will help them to find a solution to whatever it is that ails our community. We will be engaged in identifying the approaches and the principles that are important in embarking on our work. And this is the place where results will be gotten. As executive director, I have been adamant about excellence being our guiding principle, right? In addition to excellence, clearly we want competence, but we also want cultural competence. We want dedication. We want people who want to be in service of community to be members of our team. We want to be the team or the institution that identifies solutions. We want to be the team that helps to grow our community, or better said, help to guarantee its sustainability. And here I'm talking about sustainability from the financial standpoint, the employment standpoint, the education standpoint, and really in ways that help to keep us engaged as we tackle the major challenges of our day. So, 20 years later, I am as committed, as dedicated, and as interested in seeing what the next 10, 20 years will bring. Clearly, there are a number of initiatives that we want to pursue to really help the community focus on its financial and educational sustainability. But I have to say that the impetus or the source of this continued passion and commitment is heavily, the team as well as the community, because the team members continue to be very interested, very committed, very passionate. As I said, once you drank the Sant-La Kool-Aid, you are a convert for life. And so I find that everyone who has worked here remains committed to this organization. And so that, in my view, is an additional element of pride, an element of encouragement, an element that keeps me pushing myself and pushing myself beyond my limits, just to be sure that we, will save all of our energies, dedicate all of our energies to resolving the pressing problems of our community today. And so I'm very much engaged in that, as is the team, and I think that collectively that keeps us moving. Besides, we have a track record where all we can do is do more and go above and beyond what we've accomplished so far.
20 years of perfection could not have happened without clear leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me introduce our fearless leader, the Executive Director of Sant-La Haitian Neighborhood Center, Ms. Gypsy Metellus.
Thank you. Thank you so very much, Shirley. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you for always saying yes to Sant-La, and thank you for this lovely introduction. Yes, you're right. This is a celebration of 20 years, and so I thank you so much for joining us this evening. 20 years of service, 20 years of passion, 20 years of commitment, 20 years of impact, 20 years of making sure that we walk the walk with our community, 20 years of making sure that we stand in the gap for our community, 20 years of carving out partnerships with many of you, 20 years of making sure that we would be here to represent, we would be here to advocate, we would be here to inform, to engage, and to educate. And so we would not be celebrating 20 years today if it were not for, a really dynamic team, a team of committed people who believe in Sant-La, who believe in the mission, who believe in the work, and believe in uplifting our community. We would not be celebrating these 20 years without, the loyalty, the support, and the leadership of our board of directors, many of whom have stepped off the board, they've come back, and this is the thing about Sant-La. This is the magic of this place. This is the magic of our mission. When you step in here, you step in this field, you step in this environment, you are committed for life. And so this is our 20th anniversary, and it's 20 years again of making sure that we do right by our community. We ensure that it can thrive. We ensure that it's uplifted. We ensure that it's empowered. and we ensure that together with each and every one of you, we can continue to carve out the next 10 to 20 years of the power, magic, and impact of Sant La. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this evening's celebration also features our marketplace, Haitian marketplace of one-of-a-kind items, handmade items, unique items, but items that we hope that you will purchase this evening in support of our mission. So one of the best ways that you can celebrate with us this evening is about really bidding often, and buying up just about every beautiful product that we're offering you this evening. So thank you and enjoy the evening.
Now, to our viewers at home and all around the world, please help me welcome our board chair, Hervé Boni.
Good evening. Thank you to the hosts. And as you heard, my name is Hervé Boni, and I'm proud to serve as the board chair for Sant La. And I would like to extend a few welcomes on this very special night where we commemorate 20 years of Sant La's work. I want to extend a special welcome, first of all, to the entire community. I would like to also extend a special welcome to our funders, our partners, and the entire staff. It has been 20 years of very special work. I'd also like to point out that even with this difficult year, Sant La's staff has all grouped together to do a fantastic job amid quarantine, amid COVID, amid restrictions, amid limited work numbers and space. So again, here's looking forward to another special 20 years of great work in this community. Peace and health.
My name is Marlène Bastien. As a co-founding member of Sant La, I'm proud of the stellar work that Sant La has been doing for the past 20 years under the leadership of Gypsy Metellus, Léonie Armantin, and a dynamic group of professionals to empower and strengthen Haitian families. 20 years is not 20 days. 20 ans, pas 20 jours. Whether to provide services to meet the needs of our brothers and sisters, assist them with free tax services, jobs, housing, healthcare, whether to provide leadership skills and train our young leaders of tomorrow, whether to stand up for Haitians and other immigrants in general, whether to advocate for the voiceless and the less fortunate, Sant La has been there, forever present, contributing and making a difference. It takes talents, sacrifices, and leadership to build. Today, I join my voice with those of the other co-founding members and the entire community to say thank you to Sant La for a job well done, and to wish them a happy 20th year anniversary.
Hi, this is Vice Mayor Alex Masume from the great city of North Miami. I'd like to wish Sant La, the Haitian Neighborhood Center, a happy 20th anniversary. You have done an amazing job for the past 20 years serving our great community, especially providing services to our wonderful North Miami community. We are wishing you many, many more years and 21 years. Thank you.
Hello to the Sant La family. Thank you so much for the wonderful constituent services that you have given to our community for 20 years. Congratulations to Gypsy Metellus and the entire staff who have joined forces together and decided that you're going to make a difference in the lives of men, women, children, in our entire community by helping immigrants as they cross over. And they have so much to learn, so much to prosper from your wonderful organization. Happy birthday, happy 20th birthday, and many more to come. Congratulations, Sant La.
Non pas c'est Galen Pierre. Moi sorti pour Prince Haïti, m'a vivre avec famille moi Miami Florida. Moi t'ai gain chance pour que m'étais capable venir en centre là recevoir des services gratuits. C'est parce que m'étais gain possibilité pour que m'tap suivre Madame Gypsy Metellus dans une émission qui compte passer tous les lundis et mercredis soirs de 8h à 9h qui est connecté. Côté que madame nan, t'es qu'on a partagé mission li, vision li, objectif li. Après, je devine aller sur Google, d'aller chercher adresse centre. T'es jeune. Et lorsque je devine dans centre là, je jeune ensemble avec madame Lucie qui te recevoir moi. De rentrer pour parler ensemble avec lui. Il était bon moi toute information comment que centre capable d'aider moi. Lorsque je suis retourné à la cave, moi j'étais jeune ensemble avec madame, moi j'étais parlé ensemble avec lui. Le ça nous était à peine arrivé ici, nous pas de personne, nous pas de contact presque. Et puis madame moi dit bien, bon moi venir dans ce temps pour moi ça capable faire pour nous-mêmes. Je dis allez non, après m'a va aller. Le vini sont tenté aider lui joindre travail sans que le pas de payer 5 centimes. Il était jeune bon service, il était content, il était encouragé pour que je vienne dans ce temps. Encore à nouveau. Lorsque moi j'étais retourné dans ce temps, moi j'étais joué ensemble avec madame Lucie et puis moi j'ai demandé moi j'ai besoin d'aide pour food stamp, pour assistance médicale, est-ce que je suis capable de jouer ça dans ce temps? Il a dit oui, il a dit rendez-vous l'autre jour. Lorsque je suis retourné, je suis ensemble avec madame Josette. Madame Josette a aidé moi pour que je sois capable de jouer food stamp pour moi-même, madame moi avec petite moi. De jouer assurance médicale sans papier grâce avec Sant là. Après je devine jouer travail moi-même. Mes amis t'ont aidé à jouer travail. Lorsque je devine à travail, peu de temps après, travail moi devine fermé. Devine joindre madame Judith qui t'a aidé moi pour que je sois capable de filer en employment. Pas de payer 5 centimes pour ça. Et moi quand je venu dans le séminaire que Sant qu'on a fait, lorsque je suis venu, je suis aidé, je suis montré des sites côté que si mal souli, je suis capable de rester en contact avec l'école petite pour moi évolution académique. Non seulement ça, il y a une bagaille qui marqué moi jusqu'à présent, c'est que je ne pas t'attendre ensemble avec service ça dans le centre là, service interconnexion. Moi j'ai un petit garçon moi qui a 4 ans qu'on a, le salle a environ 2 ans, et qu'on a affiché des comportements bizarres. Et lorsque je suis venu dans ce temps, dans la formation que j'ai fait, je t'ai expliqué ça. J'ai joint une dame qui t'a aidé moi. J'ai joint une équipe professionnelle qualifiée en éducation qui a fait évaluation pour moi-même. Après, on t'a dit que petit peu, on t'a fait artisan ou bien encore autisme. C'était triste, mais je t'ai encouragé, fortifié. Je t'ai dit que j'ai espoir capable d'encadrer avec petite là. Ça te fait madame moi triste sans pile tout. Lorsque nous avons fait recherche, nous voyons qui ça qui autisme. Le monde souffre maladie, autisme, qui commence à durer. Et vraiment vrai, tout ça on t'a dit, c'était vrai. À cause du comportement que petite là t'a pas affiché. On est venu joindre l'école, on est venu joindre l'équipe professionnelle qui t'a aidé moi, qui t'a canalisé moi. Quand que je dis à me joindre petite moi fait en pile évolution, en pile amélioration, quand que me pas payer 5 centimes. Même l'école yo canalisé pour que petite moi capable joindre l'école qualifiée, puis capable aider avec maladie ça. Sincèrement, par contre, qui mot que m'ta doit utiliser m'ta dit Sant là merci pour tout service ça. M'pa payer rien ni pour food simple ni pour que me capable pour un employement, m'pa payer 5 centimes pour me filer taxe, m'pa payer 5 centimes et même pour connexion pour petit moi qui était malade, m'pa payer 5 centimes. Quand je des kits scolaires côté que m'pa payer 5 centimes service ça de valeur, de qualité, équipe qui dans ce là, c'est des professionnels qualifiés. Et ils servent avec passion, avec amour, avec humilité et sagesse. Je dis merci avec tout le monde qui a travaillé dans ce là, qui font travail de valeur, que bon Dieu va accompagner et que ce là va toujours jouer un support des bailleurs de fonds qui peuvent aider à aller de l'avant. Merci infiniment. Nous dit merci ensemble avec tout ça que Sant là fait pour nous-mêmes. Nous souhaitons de l'occasion ça pour que nous souhaitions un joyeux anniversaire. Nous disons bon Dieu merci parce que depuis 20 ans, Sant là a desservi la communauté ça. Je dis c'est un grand jour pour eux-mêmes Encore une fois, moi-même ensemble avec famille, nous mettons ensemble pour nous dire joyeux anniversaire, pour nous remercier. Nous prions bon Dieu capable de continuer à bénir, plus vision, plus détermination, pour qu'il capable de continuer à impacter la communauté. Et nous étions quoi tout, monde qui est habitué à supporter Sant sur le plan financier et autres, il va continuer à faire ça et bon Dieu va continuer à bénir. Nous souhaitons Sant succès, prospérité, avancement, impact, transformation dans la communauté. Ça. Que bon Dieu, dans moins fini, continuer à bénir Sant.
And at this moment, we'd like to bring to the stage the auction hosts, Rose Mainville and Léonie Hermantin.
Good evening, bonsoir, and welcome to Sant-La's Haitian Marketplace. This is the first time that it's going to be held virtually, so we encourage you to go to register. In order to participate, you need to register. You need to go to BetterUnite/Happy20 Sant-La. Register to start bidding. The bidding has started already because this is one of the most coveted events for the year, our silent auction, where we feature the finest of Haitian artists and artisans. For those of you who just want to get that unique little piece of Haitian art, those of you who've meant to get something but can't go to Haiti or have never had the opportunity, well, this is your chance. Wherever you are, New York, Canada, wherever you are, we are willing and able to ship everything to you. Just register first to BetterUnite/Happy20 Sant-La. Tonight, I have with me another member of Sant-La staff, Rose Mainville. Rose?
Hi. Thank you, Léonie. Merci, Léonie. And so just like Léonie just said, we have so many one-of-a-kind items. Everything is handmade by amazing artists in Haiti. Like this beautiful, beautiful horn bracelet that goes well with this nice necklace. And we have these beautiful earrings that match. And the price is to die for. Just go on the site and bid. And right here we also have this one-of-a-kind émaillé coffee set. We have these beautiful hand-beaded purses by Jean Ednor. He's an amazing artist in Haiti. He makes these all the time, all over, and he even has a website, but you can go on our site tonight and bid for this one beaded purse. They're one of a kind, it's only one. So if you don't bid, you will not get it.
And we are, again, looking at artisans doing beautiful things. We have what we call the fer découpé. Look at the ironwork, the beauty of this. This is a heart with a mirror that you can hang on the wall. Imagine putting 2 or 3 of those on the wall, how magnificent it would look. And again, we're talking about supporting artisans. We're talking about people who have been locked out in a way of opportunities. With travel restricted now to some extent to Haiti, many people cannot go and buy these beautiful items. Buying here would really continue to offer a lifeline to artisans who, in spite of what they're living through, continue to create so magnificently. We also have another piece of, again, art that you cannot find that much anymore. We're looking, people make things, sometimes they make them and then they stop making them. This is one of those pieces that you don't see anymore. It's really beautiful. Again, it will go everywhere, indoors, outdoors. If you have a beautiful patio, if you have, la cour, a beautiful yard, it goes really well because this cut iron withstands any weather.
And we have this beautiful painting here by one of our own staff members, Alphonse Pillard, and this is called Clair de Lune. It's an amazing painting. Alphonse is one of our amazing staff members, one of a kind. So please bid, please go on the site and bid and bid. And we have this beautiful masks that are handmade in Haiti. Once again, as Léonie stated, This is a lifeline for so many of those artists that are making those things, that are not able to come here and sell their products. So this is also helping them.
This is by Veve. This is a very famous artist in Haiti who makes beautiful things, and she has just Felicia Dell, she has really gone into really full production of masks, and we're really happy that again we're going to have one-of-a-kind items by Felicia Dell. We also have our well-known sequin flag, drapeau, beautiful. This one features the heart, a beautiful heart for our spirit of love, our spirit of motherhood. Please, again, there are artisans, a lot of women taking care of their families, feeding their children by doing this sort of work. Sant-La supports Haitian artisans, supports the livelihood of Haitian artisans, and in supporting us, you will support so many families. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at how our people can create such beauty, such beauty. And I hope that again, you go to Better Unite / Happy 20 Sant-La, register. The prices are amazing, amazing. I hope that you guys outbid each other, because the more you bid, the more money we make. But we really hope that you go and buy to support our work. 20 years of standing in solidarity with our community. We do the work that you wish you would be doing, but are busy making money and doing other things. So please continue to support us, because when you support us with your resources, your treasures, you allow us to do the work that you know needs to be done, and we are proud to do it in your behalf when you support us. You know, as Rose talked about paintings, we have another unique painting, very unique, that was basically created just for this event. It's another one-of-a-kind piece. It's a rara masqué. It's a rara where the participants have their masks on. There's nowhere, you will not find that anywhere. This is a one-of-a-kind, a COVID-19 rara. So we would, again, if you want to have a unique piece at home, if you want to have something that no one else has, if you want to have a conversation piece of the rara with the masks, please buy this. Go on Better Unite / Happy 20 Sant-La and register to buy this. You support us, you support Haitian artists.
And also we have this beautiful artwork called the Affranchi, and this is exquisite. It's literally on glass. So once again, as Leonie said, these are one-of-a-kind pieces. You will not find them anywhere. You will not find them at Kohl's, at any of the stores that you will visit. This will not be featured there. So this is the only opportunity you have to bid. And like Leonie said, no matter where you are, we will get you whatever you bid on, whatever you want. We will mail it to you, you will receive it. So once again, go on Better Unite / Happy 20th Sant-La and bid.
And I would like to point out that this is not just any painting on glass. This is really an incredible gift, a donation to us by our esteemed, world-renowned artist, Edouard Duval-Carrier. As you know, Edouard's work has graced all major museums all over the world, in Europe, in Canada, in Africa. He's done magnificent work in Senegal. If you go to Senegal, you will see his work. So Edouard really is well known, and we are so lucky that he is making one of his paintings affordable. Because trust me, this is the only time you will get an Edouard Duval-Carrier at the price at which we're offering it. Only time. Edouard is very, very well sought after, and his stuff is not for the faint of heart. His prices are not for the faint of heart.
No,
so this is a unique opportunity to afford in Edouard Duval-Carrier. So please take that opportunity, register, go, start bidding. It's affordable, and it's for a good cause. Not only does it support our work here, but you're also helping Haiti. For all of you say, how can we help Haiti? Well, empower a woman to feed her family, not by handing her a piece of bread, but by allowing her to make a living. And this is how people make their living. This is how hardworking women and men make their living. So you are doing God's work twice. You are supporting us here, and you're supporting Haiti. So please go and buy and buy and buy and bid.
Yes, and as Leonie stated, we are continuing to say this because, again, this is a Christmas season, and this year has not been an easy year for anyone. With the pandemic, we've all had to face certain adversity. So a lot of our Haitian artists in Haiti, they face so much. And so this year, you are able to help a family. You are able to help a mother give her kids some sort of Christmas celebration. So for the one of you that are spending the last minute gift that you didn't buy anything yet for the wife, you didn't buy anything yet for the family, here is the opportunity, here's your chance. Go on the site and bid. Bid on jewelry, we have so many beautiful pieces. Bid on the purses, we have all colors, different styles, different motives, different design. Bid, you will find something that you will like. So many art pieces that are not featured, but we have more on the site. So please go and bid and bid and bid.
Yeah, I just want to add that if for all of you who were in Haiti in the 60s, who grew up in the 60s, and who remember this incredible artisan, jewelry maker, artist, Pericles, we have 2 unique, rare, vintage Pericles pieces. So please, go and you will not be disappointed. This is an Haitian marketplace, again, making us proud, demonstrating to the world that we are a people with the capacity, the ability to create what is beautiful, what is refined, what is finished. So don't hesitate. Invite your friends, invite your enemies. Because your friends can buy, and you're not going to be worried about going to the same place wearing the same thing, because everything is unique. You're not going to be wearing the same jewelry. You're not going to have the same purses, even if you invite your friends to buy, because everything is unique. So again, we encourage you, go register. Don't wait until it's too late, because you may not be able to bid. So please go, register, and bid, and support 20 years of work, 20 years of supporting the community, 20 years of standing in solidarity with Haitian Americans and Haitians in Haiti.
Yes, and this marketplace symbolizes our mission, which is to empower, uplift, and strengthen our community. We do this every year through our auction, to the sales, to everything that we do at Sant.
We continue to support, to work in the trenches with our community. We are an extension of you. We know that you want us to do the work. We know that when you come to Sant, you're proud of this beautiful space that represents Haitians so well. Well, support us. If you don't want to buy anything, make a donation. Yes. If you don't want to buy anything, you've gone to Haiti so many times and you have enough Haitian art at home, make a donation. Support us. Because of the pandemic, our funding has dwindled a bit, and we need our community to support us. We need you to step forward and say, I'm going to stand in solidarity with an organization that is the beacon, that stands when things are rough. Whether it was 2008, during the financial crisis of 2008, whether it was 2010, during the earthquake of Haiti, and now with the pandemic, we don't flinch. We don't say that we can't come to the office. We can't say that we're afraid. We stand in solidarity. We face the worst with our community. But we need your support. We cannot do it without you. So any donation today, wish us a happy birthday. If you don't want to buy anything, wish us a happy 20th anniversary. Give us $20. So We, again, going back here, we have beautiful items. We have one-of-a-kind items. We are really hoping that we will sell out in a way that you're going to come to us and say, can you please put something, can you please open a store online? We really like your stuff. So that's it, folks. This is your time. Time to buy beautiful things. Time to stand in solidarity with your people. Time to say, I've always asked myself, what can I do for a community that is meaningful, that is impactful? Well, go buy. Go buy for your friends, go buy for yourself, treat yourself to something that is beautiful, and in doing so, you will be supporting an organization that is doing good work in the community. Thank you.
So we know 20 years did not happen without some committed staff members that gave their time, their heart, and bought into this vision. So at this moment, I'd like to reintroduce Ms. Gypsy Metellus to come to the stage and present some honors.
Thank you, Thomas. Thank you so much, Shirley. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so proud to be presenting the awards for this evening. We've got 3 very special awards. First, to someone who has served as host of Sant-La's annual events since 2008, every year since 2008. This year, we thought we'd give him a break, given the fact that we want to honor him and thank him for just his service, his support, his friendship, and his just, he's a member of the Sant-La family. And this person is none other than Mr. Calvin Hughes, WPLG's newscaster extraordinaire and really great friend of Sant-La. And so because of social distancing, of course, because we're doing all that we need to respect that, the award will be accepted by Calvin at WPLG Studios. But I wanted everyone to see what it looks like this evening, such that you can help me to applaud Calvin Hughes for his years of support. That's right. He deserves the applause for his many years of service, of support, of friendship to Sant-La. Thank you, Calvin. This is for you.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for the recognition. It's something that I never expected, and so thankful for the award as well, or the art. It really reminds me of the art that I would see in Croix de Bouquet, that community, the art community there, where people are working so hard to make art and sell it to people so that they can make a living. And so I'm really happy for this. This really warms my heart. This is going to go into a really special place inside of my home. I want to say that over the years, I've made some incredible relationships with people at Sant-La and I'm really thankful for that most of all. I think you all know that I have said so many times that I'm not worthy of any award. I do it because I'm just so fond of the people, and I'm so fond of many of the members of the board whom I've become friends with. You know, the older you get, the more you understand that, you know, in life, it's really about relationships. That's the most important thing that you can have and possess. So I'm really thankful for all of the friendships and relationships that I've made with the members of the board, and of course Leonie, and your wonderful mother, and Gypsy, of course, your beautiful mother as well. It just shows the love and compassion and appreciation in the Haitian American community. And look, you've heard me say it before that, you know, Haiti has done, and the Haitian American community has done more for me than I could ever do for it. So for that reason, I really don't feel deserving of this recognition. So thank you so much again for everything that you do in the community, especially during a pandemic. This is certainly the most difficult time in all of our lives, and hopefully it will be, it'll never be this difficult again. But I can't even imagine trying to do the work that you do in our community on top of trying to do it while working through a pandemic that seems to have no end. But hopefully, we will be turning a corner here with the new vaccinations that are coming out. But again, thank you so much, Sant-La, for all the work that you do. You are doing God's work, and I'm so appreciative for everything that all of you are doing. So I appreciate the recognition, and merci beaucoup. And I'll be going back to Haiti, and I'll be, of course, anytime you need me as Sant-La, I'll be there for you to help in any way that I can. So again, merci beaucoup. Bye-bye.
And for another special moment in Sant-La history, this is a time where we thank two staff members who really have worked above and beyond the call of duty, not just in their tenure at Sant-La, but especially during the special COVID year, this COVID experience that we've all had to face and have to deal with. And so these two individuals, I'm going to call them together, but then I will explain more about each one. So the first employee of the year is none other than Junie Darius. This is your medal. Let's put it on. Okay. So she gets the Sant-La medal. She gets a certificate indicating that she is the employee of the year, and she gets a few days off, and she gets a little something that she can go out and spend for the holidays. Tonight's second award goes to a special person. Of course, all of our team members are special, but in this COVID year, this employee has gone above and beyond the call of duty and ensuring that we would be here to serve our clients. We would be here to ensure the social distancing that's required. We would be here to ensure that our place is sanitized and is cleansed properly. And so this person has just done so much this year that we decided that there would be a second employee of the year. And that person is none other than Lucie Liberal. Miss Lucie, here is your special medal. I would ask you to put it on, please. And of course, in your certificate of Employee of the Year, I want to call you the Special COVID Employee of the Year. You'll find your certificate and as well as a special gift, plus your couple of days off whenever you'd like to use them, either this year or next year. All right? Here you go. Congratulations.
And at this moment, we'd like to bring to the stage for a special presentation, Guibert Saint-Fort and Olmise Delicieux.
As we celebrate 20 years of accomplishment, we look forward for the next 20 years. And we, Team Sant-La, are honored to have had Ms. Gypsy Metellus as our leader who guides us through those 20 years. So we would like tonight to show her our appreciation, and we do ask her to come up at this moment so on behalf of Team Sant-La, we can present her with an honor, a plaque that will state our appreciation for her accomplishment. Now, I asked my colleague, Ms. Olmise Delicieux, to do the honor.
Thank you, Saint-Fort. With sincere appreciation, we gratefully acknowledge our Executive Director, Gypsy Metellus, in recognition of 20 years of steadfast leadership, commitment, vision, and determination to mold Sant-La into a center of excellence and service. Thank you for your unrelenting guidance and unwavering dedication throughout the years. December 12, 2020. Thank you.
Well, Gypsy, had you been around when my children were born, you would certainly have been the godmother of one of them, and you know why. Godparenting is only entrusted to people you respect, you love, and you know will stand in your absence, will be there for your children. And had you been there when my children were babies, you would have been a godmother. Because beyond knowing you professionally, I'm always in awe by your strength, by your vision, by your determination to achieve whatever you set your goals to, but with an unswerving sense of rectitude, of transparency, of doing what's right, doing what's needed to be done, doing what must be done. More importantly, I am just in awe of your modernity. You know, you're a very modern person. You're very, very modern, but yet your principles, your vision is all grounded in that 1804 spirit, in that Haiti that we all love, the Haiti that inspires us and that inspires you to do the best that you can do to continue to elevate the image of Haiti and of Haitians all over the world. So you are my femme jam. You are this powerful woman that I will continue to admire forever. And I am so blessed and so lucky to have been working with you for the past 20 years. Congratulations on your award. Your staff loves you. Your staff admires you. We are so proud of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we want to take this opportunity to thank all our sponsors that have been supporting Sant-La not just this year, but for the past 19 years. Thank you for your support. And don't forget, the auction is still open. Thank you for those that's been bidding. And without further ado, it's time for us to celebrate and have a good time with DJ Nikki Mix.
DJ Nikki Mix. Welcome to the fun part, where you can help, where you can support. My name is DJ Nikki Mix. My job is make sure you have a good time, you dance, and you support. I have one mission. Make sure you have a good time and also spend some money, right? You need to support Sant La 20e anniversaire. Levez danser, levez danser, levez danser, levez danser. En dépensant bien sûr. I'd like to call this section the musical auction. Musique et puis n'a supporté Sant La. We have a few articles here. Ma bande nous tout le concert. In the meantime, on chauffe, on danse, on danse. Sant La 20e anniversaire, DJ Nicky Mix.
Moi vle l'aime toucher. Moi c'est plus belle bagaille qu'un café, tellement naturel. Si vous pas exister, ça m'oblige à m'en démonter pour créer. Si vous pas exister.
We have a few articles tonight. C'est qui intéresse nous. So just bear with me. Bah les faire faute dans non là. Hi guys. We have first of all the original Jean-Edmond Joseph hand-bedded clutches, crossbow and coin purses. Bye no mango. It's a hand-bedded clutches, crossbow and coin purses. You can purchase right now. Keep bidding, keep bidding. We also have a decorative route iron mirror. We have a traditional metal coffee set featuring dark blue and white decorative designs. Again, this is a musical auction right now happening. As you're dancing, you can support Sant La 20e anniversaire. On allez, on allez. We have a few more articles again. We have an authentic VV mask. Yes, you can purchase it too. By donating, by bidding, by supporting Sant La right now.
Fait tout ça me connaît pour me passer la veille. Même si moi petit tout ça que moi gagné. DJ Nicky Mix. Après si ballon légué. Situation qui n'est possible. Depuis moi on sentiment pas libre.
I'm gonna play nothing but the best ones for you guys. Depuis le bon pour nous asseoir. We're gonna have a good time, right? DJ Nicky Mix. Sant La 20e anniversaire. The COVID way. We have a few items for you guys. Keep bidding, keep bidding, keep bidding, keep bidding. We have an authentic VV mask. We have an authentic handmade bone jewelry set. Yes, you can buy it too. We have an affranchi. The affranchi is an original Edouard Duval Carry glass painting. Keep bidding, keep bidding. We have also Clair de Lune, an oil canvas painting. This one is very original. We have a COVID-19 Rara. An oil canvas painting too. It's called COVID-19 Rara. Only with Sant-là, only with Sant-là. We have several oil canvas paintings by Edner Jérôme. Nous avons différents oil canvas paintings, right? By Jérôme Edner. We have the Madonna. It's an original Zipporah Michel oil canvas painting. Les amis, oh. So guys, game on. This is the best way to support Sant-là this year. 20th anniversaire, 20 years. Servicing the community, helping the community. Now is your chance to support you. By Again, I'm playing nothing but the best one for you guys. Now do your part. Make sure you dance. That's one. And make sure you support. Just follow these links right here. Beat right now. Buy right now. Support right now. It's for a good cause. Sant-là, 20e anniversaire. Et puis danser.
Y'avait pas d'image, y'avait pas de couleur, y'avait pas d'histoire, mon âme seule. Y'avait pas les fêtes, y'avait pas de cœur, aucun sourire, mon âme seule. Tu sais le monde ne tournait pas rond, j'avais les mots mais pas la chanson. Tu sais l'amour, tu sais la passion. Oui c'est écrit, c'était dit, c'est la vie.
Chantez.
Avant toi,
chantez.
je n'avais rien.
Sing. Of course, avant Sant-là, we missed something. Now we have Sant-là for 20 years. This is your chance to help them out. By bidding. Keep bidding, keep bidding. Let's go. Soufek branché, c'est la fête de Sant-là, 20e anniversaire. Happening right now. Yes, you can help them right now. Keep bidding, keep bidding, keep bidding. Côté fanatique classe yo. Fanatique classe yo. Levez danser, levez danser, levez danser, levez danser. Sant-là birthday, let's go.
Les malonti party avec nos amis, nous raconter une belle lady. Sans lui m'intéresser, mais lui pas brosser, lui dit t'as pris parler pour lui. Moi pas m'en s'appelle petit parole. Non t'as pas samedi.
We have about 17 minutes to enjoy this session, alright? So keep dancing, keep bidding, keep supporting. Sant-là 20e anniversaire.
Viens donc mon beau, moi v'l'ai tiré li dans son oreille, sortant de réalité.
En allez.
Parce que c'est mon héros. C'est ça lui dit ouais.
Nicky Mix on the beat.
Bagay la compliqué, moi senti stressé, depuis m'prendre un green soulier.
And very important, make sure you share the live. Make sure you share this. Share. Let your friends know what's going on right now. The only party right now with DJ Nicky Mix and Sant-là, 20e anniversaire. En allez.
Que c'est moi qui t'ai ciblé. Pas bien le choix. Quelle chance ou pas joindre le fois.
Pas faire jalousie. Si je joue classe, je joue new look. En allez. C'est l'anniversaire de Sant-là, 20e anniversaire cette année. Yes, ou qu'à supporter, oui. Continuez bid. Achetez.
DJ Nicky Mix.
Sant-là. Nicky Mix. 20e anniversaire. Supportez. C'est pour une bonne cause. Let's go. Keep bidding. Let's show some love to Sant-là. Let's go. Sant-là it is. Yes.
C'est une bonne situation. Quand fait au pays zombie, maintenant on vient position. amis. Et puis je tiens, moi, ton journal. La élaboré, ça va pas tant de moins.
On allez.
Nous t'éclaire d'elle.
C'est la fête. It's a party. Let's go. Dance, 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 dance. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Ne pas parler pour vivre prisonnier, ni pour m'expliquer fais et gestes. Vie de célibataire, c'est ça besoin. Just for the time being. Ne pas parler pour vivre prisonnier, ni pour m'expliquer fais et gestes. Vivre sans pression, c'est ça m'a cherché. I need some inside. Just wanna have fun. I don't need a girlfriend.
The good thing is, you're home right now. It's easy. Grab somebody, let's dance. Let's keep busy. Let's keep dancing. Let's keep beating. Let's keep helping. Let's go. Sant la 20e anniversaire.
Le texte là ouais expliqué nos comportements irresponsables que m'ignorer complètement que moi t'accompagner. Moi pas parler pour vivre comme prisonnier ni pour m'expliquer fais
And also keep watching to see the remaining articles, alright? Keep bidding. DJ Nicky Mix right now for Sant la 20e anniversaire. The COVID way, unfortunately. La fête continue.
C'est parti, c'est parti. Bagay me vale pour lui.
I'm just keeping my promise right now. I said nothing but the good ones, right? Now keep yours by bidding, by dancing, by supporting Santa right now, by sharing. Let's go.
It's not easy, it's not easy to love and get so much of yourself. But please believe me, baby, believe me, I wouldn't trade you for the world. Mais oui, moi j'aime plus you and même ouais, ou qu'à profiter de moi, mais ou fait plier comme on va y prendre. Non, souffrir
The good news is, distance pas un problème. Distance is not a problem. Yes, you can help. You can support Santla. 20 years. 20 years. They deserve your support. Let's go. La fête continue. On allez. What? Ok. DJ Nicky Mix Sant là, 20e anniversaire. Keep sharing the live. I have about 9 minutes to go. Right? Dansez, dansez, dansez. Dansez, dansez. On allez. Yes, it's a party right now. Sant la 20e anniversaire, DJ Nicky Mix playing live. But guess what? Very important. You need to help. You need to support. You need to bid. Keep bidding, alright? And cheers. Ok, ok. On change, oui là. Allez, allez. Font-ils la game au Kounia? On danse. On fait intéressant Kounia. Et fait Sant là. On allez.
I don't wanna lose you this time, I win it. No time, I'm gonna winnie, wanna your love, they do me one time. Oh my, I'm getting me. Show me how you feeling this night. I'ma say your love, say now winnie, wanna your love, they do me this night, yeah. I need your grace, me never regret, my love no get shit, no matter the case,
Start till single,
Oh. It's a party right now, DJ Nicky Mix. Dansez, dansez. Kimelem. Et faites Sant là. N'a fêté. Keep bidding.
Ils mettent l'argent dehors, dépenser les vrais qu'aiment. Tant coûter, chamba coûter, qu'on en veut, non. Chérie, y'a même pas de problème, des problèmes, non. Aïe, comment fait? Aïe, t'as pris par la imboussa. Aïe, comment fait? Aïe, t'as pris par la imboussa.
pas campé, Ziggy, zamba, pas campé. Willy bon, pas la tellement chaud, mais j'ai pas campé.
Que des fois, on va le mettre, il aime parler. Laisse-moi parler, bébé parler. Capitaine d'air, ça s'emballer. La vie a belle, l'irette.
La vie est belle. Oh. C'est la fête de Sant là. On allez. On danse. Mais surtout on supporte, alright? 20 ans.
Before the end of the night, I wanna hold you so tight. You know I want you so much.
And if you like something, easy, it's very easy. Continue bid, buy plus cob, et puis la pour. Alright? It's for a good cause. It's for Sant là, alright? La fête continue avec DJ Nicky Mix.
Sexy collègue à imiter puis me la jette. Comme ça, c'est littéralement des blocs avec diamant Batman. Pas qu'à ce matin midi.
Gon moun kapé do, gon moun koreme. L'argent avec diamant pas rien.
Imbécile.
Vous comprenez ça? Sant l'a tellement aidé moun dans Sud Floride là. For 20 years. 20 years. Yo mettez l'eau à diamant, right? You know you can help them, right? Just by bidding. Let's go. You gonna peel bagay là, let's go.
Ouais, mon cher chargé bagay. Écoutez pour gros bagay. Oui, mademoiselle chargé bagay.
My name is DJ Nicky Mix. N'a dansé na vibe, n'a fait Sant là. Yes. 20 ans. 20 ans de jam.
Oh gosh. Trouver money in a junk like a fish out on the road. Pull up on a bumper, start to post when cause I'm feeling good. She could be a doctor, could be a lawyer, could be a judge. All I know is Juve, and I in charge of Bam Bam. All I want to do is chop, chop, chop. Juve up the woman, girl. Chop, chop, chop. It's Juve money, girl. Chop, chop, chop. You wicked with the man. Chop, chop, chop. Oh God.
Dansez. En allez. I have about 1 minute and a half. I know. C'est la fête de Sant là. Keep helping, keep bidding, keep supporting. Malheureusement, l'heure nous fait défaut. I have to go. Thank you for having me. And make sure you keep supporting Sant Light. Even after this party, keep supporting them. They're doing a great job, right? DJ Nicky Mix. I'm out.
Happy 20th anniversary, Sant Law. 20 years of inspiring, meaningful, important work in our community. Your staff is amazing in the width and breadth and depth of all of the things that you do to help serve the community that is so important to you is just utterly amazing. I'm so proud to be just a little bit connected with all of you and so proud to provide any support and encouragement because you provide so much support and encouragement to so many others. So I wish you not only happy 20 years, but happy future 20 years. May your ongoing work be as amazing as it has been in the past. All the best.
Happy anniversary, Sant La. Happy birthday, Sant La. All the best wishes. 20 years went just like that. Hello. My name is Rose. I am the Youth and Family Advocacy Coordinator here at Sant La, and I am so thankful for the opportunity that I was given to be a part of this mission, of this journey. Sant La is an amazing organization, And behind every amazing organization, there are those who come up with the ideas. There are those who work hard at it every day. So I want to take this moment not only to say happy anniversary to Sant, but happy anniversary to our fearless leader, Ms. Gypsy Metellus. This is also your anniversary. For everything that we have done at Sant would not be possible without your leadership, without your guidance, without your support. So Sant is 20 years old, 20 years of providing excellent services. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sant we love you, and we are so thankful for you, Sant. So happy anniversary, Sant. Happy 20th anniversary, Sant, and many, many, many more years to come. And I can't wait to see what happens 20 years down the line.
Oh, how time flies when we're having fun. Thomas, our night is coming to an end. We want to thank everyone who stood by us, everyone who stayed online, who watched on TV, in any capacity that you watched this celebration and engage. We want to thank you for bidding. We want to thank our sponsors, but we don't want you to think that the event is over. Please, please, please check out all of the great products that we have on our auction.
That is correct, Shirley, Gypsy. What an amazing evening. Thank you everyone that watched us throughout the evening. Thank you for joining us. And remember, the auction items remain open. Join us for a great celebration. And without a doubt, let's hear for Mr. DJ Nicky Mix. And ladies and gentlemen, let's continue to celebrate.
Cheers. Cheers.